Hey gang, check this out. By the link in the title of the thumbnail, you already know what type of time we on. It's the evil man crashes the officer with his truck. I'm gonna leave Midwest Safety. Link in the description of the video. You know how the video start out, you're gonna get your teaser, we're gonna jump all the way into it.
On January 8th, 2024, officers in Trotwood, Ohio were dispatched to Voyager.
It's about to be a crazy pursuit, man. Make sure you like the video up like you like something, man. Hit the hype button. You know the hype button helps video keep pushing in the algorithm.
County deputies for a pursuit that would change the lives of Ohio officers forever.
Oh, Diesel. About to be a crazy pursuit, man. That's what they push when they go through lights. Some police are hype, yo. Pedestrian. Saw that American flag van pass by. Another cruiser. On the wrong side of the road, he crazy. He breaking all kind of traffic laws right now, man. About to have a head-on collision, goofy. That's why when you hit the police, you pull over to that right side of the shoulder. Duh. Oh. Or with a rifle. So they about to do a task. They gonna do a task takedown.
South on 3rd.
He crossing into another little county.
Let's go! Come on, baby! Come on!
We are headed to Clifton Drive.
Let's get it!
God. A weapon out the window? Come on, baby. What? They crazy.
71 past the channel with West and with our south channel.
They throwing something out the window. Oh, 5 and a 4. Pulling up to throw stop sticks out. He ahead of him. Setting up for stop sticks.
With 210 emergency traffic, he's wanting cited by cop. He's wanting cited by cop coming from his brother. Cited by cop. Cited by cop.
Get him moving around. Huh? Damn it.
Okay, let West Crews know that he's past the connector.
Connector must be the bridge. Oh, he driving reckless. Oh, he busted him.
Constable, good stick, can't tell. He's got a shotgun and a high-powered rifle in the vehicle.
Shots fired! Here. Damn it!
County 271 stop fire.
Location.
Is that right there? Right there. Hold on. I got you. You get right.
Uh-oh. Boy, it's escalated now.
Moving back to eastbound. Sorry, westbound 35. Westbound 35.
Go. Go block traffic. Oh, dude.
Yeah. Now, he didn't use... The suspect has switched this to... He has used deadly force against the officers. So now, they gonna upgrade the force against him.
Cruise, watch out, get a rifle out. Let's go.
Around eastbound on 35.
Woo! Woo!
Around eastbound on 35.
Shot fired! Shot fired!
Shots fired.
Rifle. Rifle out the window.
Westbound 35.
Right here, right here, right here. 35, we're gonna have to take the 35 and let's go.
Looks like flat tires on right side, get 6. Gun is down in the roadway.
I don't want to be behind you. So keep an eye on him. Get your hands ready.
Yep.
When we get out, we're getting out ready.
Okay. Speed about 68. No traffic right now. Still westbound 35. Right lane. Speed about 65. Looks like he's losing his passenger side front tire. Who hit this? No. Not when the gun's off.
He still has a shotgun.
Uh
Here he
oh.
comes.
Oh, get back 60 on this through that. 35 westbound with the 33.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah! I don't think I ever saw nothing like that.
Go, go, go. Get back, get back, get back, get back. Get down, get down.
Yo! What about the officer that's in the car? Oh man, I don't think they thinking. What about the officer that he actually hit with the truck that's pinned under his truck and y'all just firing? Oh, somebody gotta say ceasefire. Somebody gotta say ceasefire, yo. Come on now. Come on. Oh my Lord. This is crazy. Oh my God. Oh, somebody gotta take control.
Hold fire! Hey! Hey! Back him up! Back him up! Go!
Back up! Back up! Back up!
He's still moving! He's still moving!
Oh, don't say that.
Watch the crossfire is clear. Okay.
Listen, you gotta get a shield.
There was, I don't know if he's in it. Is it? Dude,
You talking about you don't know he in it. Goofy.
We still got movement, guys. Hold off.
Do we know if there's a Trotwood officer in there?
Someone get us a shield over here.
Does anybody have a shield?
They have one over here. That's it. All right, let's go. Let's go. Hang on, I'm moving. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Watch crossfire. Watch crossfire. He's going. Go ahead. Go ahead. Swing around the car.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Didn't I say it was an officer in the car? Oh man, y'all just, you can't do that, bro. I get that he fired at an officer. You get it? And I get that you got to stop the threat, but oh my God, bro. Oh. Oh man.
Multiple medics.
Come on, boys. We need somebody to take control of this situation. We all know that he gone. Like, somebody need to take control of the situation, yo. You gotta, I know you gotta put him down, put him in handcuffs no matter what. I get it. But what about the officer that's under the truck at this point? Oh, man, this is just... They going off emotion and that ain't good.
You gotta breathe. I know. Hey. Look at me. In through your nose, out through your mouth.
Get your key out of there. Drive to the car. Drive to the car. Drive to the car. Give me the head, Bob. Give me the head. Get the intersection. Shut down. Keep going. Go back. Go. Hold up. It's in. All right. Go. All right. I got him. Pull with it. Go. All right, go. Open up. Oh, yeah, bud. We doing all right?
Yeah, we're doing good.
We're doing all right? Okay.
Arm hurts a little bit.
Arm hurts? Okay. Open up.
That'll way to get him to the hospital, boys. That's how you not wait on the rescue squad. That's how you get him there.
Anything else hurt on you or now?
That's how you get in there.
All right. I'm not seeing. All right, you got a tourniquet high. Anything else on your boat or now?
Just gotta get him there.
You guys gear up. Switch off with him until the
So you know it's protocol after a shooting involved. They gotta do aid to a suspect no matter what. God, look at that truck. All them bullet holes. Oh my Lord.
Yeah. Okay, go to your car. She's in my car. Okay, just take my car. Hey, give me one glove.
We got shots fired too. I emptied a magazine. Okay, at the car.
What's your name? Welcome, Zach. Honestly, man, I'm not 100% sure. I know whoever in that car hit you after shooting at us.
Shots fired.
Yeah. So, how long you been with trouble? How long you been with trouble?
25.
25 years? Who fired? Okay, let's get him in a car.
More guns in the car that took him to the hospital.
That's fine. I don't care about your gun. Let's worry about you. You got him. I know more. Did you shoot? Yeah. Okay, good. Let's find you a car. Yeah. Have a seat.
Start throwing up scene tape.
Floyd, this is Floyd's car. She wasn't in it. So we're coming. He sees the two cars, Trotwood and us, veers right into it.
I got you when you're ready. You gonna do a drop or you just stay here for a little bit longer?
Stay for a little longer.
Stay for a little bit longer? Yeah. All right.
They blocking out the path, man.
Go to Miami Valley Hospital. You got your cell phone or anything on you? Stylus of life or anything like that?
It's in my car.
In your car?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get to the hospital. Do you want us to make a phone call for you?
Yeah, but
So So there was a car chase, all right, and a guy crashed into you, into your car. All right, into the hospital, okay, buddy.
Jeez.
Trying to hold you in place.
What?
Trying to hold you in place and it'll bounce around a bunch.
What happened?
What's that?
I was trying to know what happened.
Yeah, I mean, your car got crushed underneath that guy's motor vehicle. So, I think they pulled you out. That's when they put the tourniquet on you. You're right, you're right.
That's what hurts.
All right, I got you. You all right? Yeah, I'm good, bro. Saw that whole thing, dude.
Man.
That's it? Okay, I'm gonna ask you to stay here for a minute, okay?
Dispatch ETA on the officer. Hey, shoot off.
This is probably the worst one I done reacted to.
75.
John, you want to hang with him too? Yeah.
Jesus.
I'm probably the only one who didn't. I couldn't see what was on. I watched him throw his gun out and everybody was shooting, so I was like, there's no point in me.
Yeah, Floyd wasn't in the car. Trotwood, he's in the hospital now. That's ours.
Have a seat and relax, bro. Take a breath. You're good. We got you. You did your job well. Okay?
I think you'll be fine.
I saw him going over, and I'm like, I tried to get on the radio because I was calling out the pursuit.
The officer, I think it'll be good.
I put a mag in it. I know that. So
Who else fired to get the car? I don't know who else. I heard Matt Brown. I got Matt Brown in my car. Well, Jose's over there. I go, why are you
are the medics? You called it all? I don't think so. Can anybody confirm me if medics coming or not?
Is there a medic coming?
Okay.
Medics are in route. They should be rolling up any minute.
What's your part? Your role? You all right?
I'm just shaking.
I can see that. Okay.
If I wouldn't have gunned it, I would have been hit.
Okay.
I mean, where that truck is, you can see where I gunned it right through there. That's where my truck was.
Okay.
And I think it got hit by debris. I haven't even looked at my truck yet. I just didn't know what to do.
All right, just hang here because we're going to need to talk to you.
Will you mind putting that back up?
You shot?
Where's your car? Right there? I'm right here. That's Floyd's car that got hit?
She was at the intersection right here.
Okay.
He was coming this way. He did. He were coming this way, and he literally just sees the cars and just right towards.
Yeah, he went straight to him.
35 eastbound in infirmary shut down also.
Boy.
You gotta squeeze that shoulder, okay?
Law Department, DSP, and homicide to respond.
You're good. You got it. All right.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right, man.
What happened?
They transported him to the emergency room.
All right, we got a turn coming up right now, okay? All right, you're right. Take that next turn a little slower. There you go. We're good.
We have the westbound shut down. We also have a J-Lane. You shouldn't get any traffic this way.
He's got an injury to the head and also to the arm. Sorry. Which side do you want to take? This side or this side? Come this side. All right, we're going to take out this way.
My cruiser, move it up here. Text my family before they all I freak out because everyone's family's going to be freaking out.
Hey, will you you have my wife's number? 'Cause she's gonna see it on the news. I know it if you wanna.
I don't have.
Call her.
They were right in the middle of the intersection, and I was trying. There's too much radio traffic. I couldn't say anything. I didn't have time to get my rifle out. I just used my pistol.
Get you out of here. You're good. We'll get you sorted out. Okay, we'll sort it out.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Look, you're here. Yeah. He's there. Jose's there. Yeah. McGuire back in his cruiser. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay. They should.
Let's get an update on the cop, man.
We'll be separated out.
Oh, okay.
Text your family. Tell them you're good. All you need to tell your family is I'm okay. Okay. You can talk to them, say, hey, I'll talk to you guys later, but I'm okay. Otherwise, they're gonna see this on the news, and someone got hit in the car. Yeah. Bad.
That car's not good. It's no bueno. I wasn't in it.
Whatever. That's good.
Poor guy. Like, I just talked to him.
Yeah, I just literally just pulled up and told him I was going to move up there.
Clearing the rifle.
You ever watch your rounds hit somebody?
No.
Not a good, especially with this red dot.
We're here for you guys. We're all here for everybody at this point.
They need my.
We'll take care of everything else later, bro. All you gotta worry about is getting in this car and riding with me.
Dude, I saw the white dually coming at me, so I hauled ass up here. I was going to jump the berm after everybody cleared, and I looked in my rear view, and he drilled her car, and just drilled. It all happened extremely fast, but yeah, I think he was trying to kill her, for sure.
The officer inside the Trotwood cruiser that was crushed in the collision, Officer Michael Richardson, survived the impact, but the crash left him with severe injuries and lasting psychological trauma. Richardson developed PTSD from the incident and ultimately never returned to duty. The suspect was identified as James Michael.
I'm glad he survived,
though. Would go on to survive the incident as well. He was shot multiple times, pulled from the wreckage, and given CPR by officers until medics arrived and
Oh wow, he survived.
Transported him to the hospital. Skirvin was charged with a long list of offenses, including multiple counts of felonious assault on peace officers, aggravated menacing, vehicular assault, failure to comply, discharging a firearm near prohibited premises, improper handling of a firearm, aggravated possession of drugs, and the original felonious assault and domestic violence charges for attacking his daughter. In April of 2025, a jury found him guilty on nearly every count. The judge imposed a sentence of 58
to 63 in